Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Rhys Dinero Show, episode 11. Today I'm going to be talking about my mentorship services, what is included and where you can find them. RhysDinero.com. This is the hub where you can purchase your mentorship services. A couple of you have messaged me on Twitter from my YouTube, so I thought I'd make a little video so I don't have to direct anybody there manually. Okay, so I'm going to start by reading out my story, my Meet Your Mentor story, and just giving you a little bit of background on who I am. So, my name is Rhys Dinero. I'm a 17-year-old investor and crypto mentor. I find passion in mentoring people as it gives my clients a great opportunity to learn effectively and efficiently. You know, a little cheesy quote, I wish I had a mentor like me when I first started investing. Which is true. My path to investing started around age 7, buying and selling WWE figures, often on car boot sales, etc. And that's actually where I got my passion for buying and selling. And since then I've gone through lots of different products, and now moved on to online investing, crypto investing. So, as you can see, I went from WWE to Lego, then I moved online, playing video games. I loved FIFA, and I don't know if you play FIFA or if you have played FIFA. There's an Ultimate Team section, and there's an online market, so you can literally trade with other players. You can buy, you can sell, and that's literally where I started my passion for trading as such. Finding methods how to get the players cheaper, how to get them faster, and then selling them for profit. But I wasn't like most 10-year-olds, 11-year-olds, 12-year-olds. I would put money onto the game, but to sell it, just to investing it. I'm not spending it on players just to play with them. I'm spending it to sell them for profit, and that's it's an intelligent thing to do at such a young age. Secondary school came around. If you're from the UK, pretty much all secondary schools, they have that one kid, that two kids that are selling chocolate, selling Lucozade energy drinks at school. But not every secondary school had a kid like me. I would import snacks from the USA, Butterfingers, Reese's cups, stuff like that, and actually sell them. Again, just I thought above the rest with the buying and selling. After that, I left school at about age 14 or year 9, I think, in the UK. Fast forward 3 years, I'm 17 now, and teaching people crypto for a living. So you can share this video with somebody that doesn't understand crypto. Maybe they do want to get started. Maybe you have the capital but you don't know where to put it. You don't know how to get started. And that's what my mentorship services offer. So I have 3 options, and then I have some services which I'll go through later. The main package is my one-time purchase crypto mentorship package, which includes the following: a one-time crypto startup session where I will sit down with you on WhatsApp, Telegram, Facebook, whatever platform is best for you to call. Pardon me. And I literally set up your accounts with you. I will set up your wallets with you. I will set you up on an exchange. I will walk you through every step so you personally understand it. I say this usually takes around 90 minutes, an hour and a half. But I mean, sometimes it could take 2-3 hours, and that's not a problem. We're not rushing anybody here. We're genuinely trying to get people invested in crypto and interested in crypto. Right? So that's what the one-time crypto startup session is. We set up your exchange wallets, exchange accounts. We set up your crypto wallets. I show you where I research from, how you can be an independent researcher. That's the aim of this mentorship package, how to turn you into an independent researcher, so you don't have to just get information from me, you know how to get it yourself. I have my crash course, which covers the following topics. All of these are just basic topics that I've done videos on, but I cover more via text formats. So the following: how/where to purchase Bitcoin. I do literally instructions, step-by-step instructions, how to go through and purchase your first bit of Bitcoin. How/where to start investing. Again, I will show you the exchanges. I will show you text how to do it, how to deposit your money, how to make your first trade. Just make it simple for beginners. I'll go into detail why now is the best time to invest, in my personal opinion, and how you can make money from the future of this. Tips and tools. I will show you all the tips and tools that I personally use on a day-to-day basis, the programs that I use, the websites that I check out, where I get my information from. All of that is included in this one course. Again, crypto news and information sources. Where do I get my information from to teach you? I give you these sources. I give you my personal top 3 long holds for 2018. I'm not trying to give any spoilers in this video. That's purely for the course members, and why I think they're going to be brilliant returns. Why I think they're going to benefit in the next 7 months, and why I think they're going to make me a lot of money. Crypto influencer recommendations. I give you I give you some crypto influencers that I follow. Again, where I get my information from. I'm giving my sources to you so you can be an independent researcher, and I'm literally funneling all this information to you directly. I give instructions and explanations on what is mining, what is ICOs, and many other topics involved in crypto that isn't covered easily, so I cover it easily for you. I make sure that you understand it. I talk about market manipulation. I talk about technical analysis. I go into depth on charts and graphs and how to read them, how to understand them, but put it for beginners. A lot of the information out there is very technical, so I break it down for beginners. I talk about crypto keywords, phrases, and memes to end it off, which is a nice little fun way to understand a little bit of crypto humor or whatever floats your boat in that sense. So, back onto the mentor package. I also have weekly mentor calls where I can go over your portfolio with you. We can talk about what's going on in crypto, where you think certain coins might be going, and if you don't know, maybe you've been slacking on the research a little bit, maybe I can just catch you up to speed and talk about crypto with you. I give you weekly or daily updates on Telegram. You'll be added into a Telegram channel where you will receive news updates about certain coins, about conferences, about updates, about legal updates, about what is going on in the crypto world. And this can be very helpful. This can be very, very helpful to making decisions. Whether you think a project's going to go up or down can be based off one update. You will also be added into my private Telegram crypto community, which is full of people like me and like yourself. Some of them have a lot of knowledge, some of them have little knowledge, and we all kind of help together, talk about crypto, discuss crypto in many different senses, and it's just a brilliant place to get ideas of what's going on. I give you my personal portfolio updates. When I'm changing something, when I'm buying, when I'm selling, whatever, you get to know about this, and you can base your decisions with my actions in mind. I also give you live support via Facebook, WhatsApp, Telegram, whatever. If you want to ask any questions, maybe you're working through the course, you're stuck on something, maybe you've read something online, you want to get my opinion on it, you can just send me a message and I reply instantly to you. It's no problem. That is what is included in the mentor package. Okay, if you want to check that out, it is down below. I thought I'd just create this little video to broadcast this to you, try and get it out to a few more of you. Maybe you might share it with somebody that you want to help out in crypto, but you don't have the time to nurture them and bring them in, because it can be a pain, right? If you're teaching somebody, I wouldn't like to teach a lot of people for free. I mean, I taught my family and a couple friends, but apart from that, I really wouldn't want to spend, because it's a long process. So this is my service, What else do I offer? I offer the individual course, if that's all you're after. I offer that, and I offer a 10-week program, which just includes less mentor calls. You only get 2 mentor calls, and it does not include the crash course. It includes the support. It includes the support. Oh no, it does include the crash course. Sorry, it does not include the Telegram community. It includes the one-time session, and it includes weekly updates. So that's what that includes. The services that I offer: mentor session, again, where I can just sit down with you for 1 hour, talk crypto, discuss. Maybe you have some questions that you want to ask me, but you're not in my mentor package. Then this could be a brilliant thing, and I can literally just walk you through a few things and discuss some stuff with you. If you are completely new to crypto but you don't want to fork out £500 or £1,000, then this could be brilliant for you. The 90-minute crypto startup session for £100, and this is, it'll get you started. Like I said, I walk you through setting all your stuff up, I explain a few things to you, and I try and make it simple in a fast time. Alright, so this is the Rhys Dinero Show, episode 11. I'm just broadcasting my crypto services, what I offer, who I am, and I hope a few of you, check it out and know a little bit more about me. I told you a little bit of my backstory, a few paragraphs. And I hope you all have a brilliant day. The Rhys Dinero Show, episode 11, and bye bye.